Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the syllabus for the Dell EMC Solutions and Design Specialist exam for technology architects so you know exactly what to study and how the exam is weighted. The exam is organized into 6 VPLEX focused domains with exact weights to guide your preparation. VPLEX Local, Metro, and Geo configuration is 30%. VPLEX Monitoring and Troubleshooting is 18%. And VPLEX Concepts and Architecture, Installation and Setup, Management and Operational Concepts, and Performance and Maintenance are each 13%. The total suggested study time across these domains sums to about 79 hours, and the assessment types range from scenario-based to hands-on and conceptual tasks. Use the domain weights and assessment styles to prioritize study time and hands-on practice. VPLEX Local, Metro, and Geo configuration carries 30% of the exam, is rated hard, and lists an estimated learning time of 24 hours with scenario-based assessment. You will learn storage virtualization and encapsulation workflows including claiming and naming storage volumes, creating extents, device creation with geometry options, and mapping virtual volumes to physical arrays. The domain also covers distributed devices for Metro setups, detach and rule set policies, VPLEX witness deployment, and how to handle site failures and link outages. Pay close attention to Metro connectivity, consistency groups, geo configuration specifics, and latency considerations for high availability designs. VPLEX monitoring and troubleshooting accounts for 18%, is medium difficulty, and suggests 15 hours of study with scenario-based assessment. Candidates will learn system health checks, configuring SNMP and call home notifications, interpreting Unisphere dashboard alerts, and collecting and analyzing logs using Collect Diagnostics. The domain also focuses on performance analysis using monitors and sinks, identifying front-end and back-end bottlenecks, validating I/O paths, and troubleshooting director and WAN connectivity issues. Emphasis is on practical troubleshooting workflows that combine log analysis with connectivity and performance testing. VPLEX Concepts and Architecture is 13% of the exam, considered easy, and requires about 8 hours of study through conceptual and scenario-based questions. This domain teaches the hardware architecture including engines, directors, the management server, SPS, and I/O module types, as well as how local, metro, and geo topologies differ. You will learn distributed cache coherence, read and write caching workflows, write-through versus write-back behavior, and how data paths and director failover preserve resiliency. Strong conceptual understanding here helps you interpret behavior seen during configuration and troubleshooting. VPLEX installation and setup also represents 13%, is medium difficulty, and recommends about 10 hours of hands-on and conceptual learning. Study the physical rack installation requirements, director and management server cabling, power sequences, and network prerequisites like IP, DNS, and NTP, and the use of Solve for installation procedures. You will also cover system initialization tasks including setup for the management server, firmware synchronization across directors, cluster formation, metadata volume creation, certificate and security configuration, and validation using CLI and GUI. Practical familiarity with initial setup steps ensures reliable deployments and smoother exam scenarios. VPLEX Management and Operational Concepts is 13%, medium difficulty, and suggests 10 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment methods. This domain covers Unisphere navigation and the VPLEX CLI structure, user and permission management, and an overview of the REST API for automation and basic VPR integration. Operational workflows include creating and managing storage views, provisioning storage to hosts, modifying device and virtual volume properties, running batch scripts, and resource cleanup or volume decommissioning. Focus on everyday administration tasks and automation points to improve efficiency and reduce configuration errors. VPLEX Performance and Maintenance makes up the final 13%, is rated hard, and requires about 12 hours of hands-on and conceptual work. You will study non-disruptive upgrade procedures including prerequisites, pre-update and post-update checks, handling failures and rollbacks, and managing firmware compatibility matrices. The domain also addresses hardware maintenance such as replacing directors, I/O modules, SPS and batteries, SFP swaps, expanding clusters with additional engines, and through workflows for safe component replacement. Mastery of upgrade and maintenance workflows is critical to preserve availability and performance during planned and unplanned events. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the Dell EMC Solutions and Design Specialist exam for technology architects. Use the domain weights, estimated study hours, and assessment styles to build a focused study plan and balance conceptual review with hands-on practice.